Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Vivek's Math Class. Today in this class I am going to solve exercise 1.3 problems. So before starting this class, if you are not subscribed this channel, please do subscribe, press the like button and share the link to all your friends. Seventeenth question. In a school, students thought of planting trees in and around the school to reduce air pollution. It was decided that the number of trees that each section of each class will plant will be the same as the class in which they are studying. Example, a section of class 1 will plant 1 tree, a section of class 2 will plant 2 trees, and so on till class 12. There are 3 sections of each class. How many trees will be planted by the students? In this question, in a particular school, there are classes from grade 1 to grade 12. Each class will have 3 sections, and all the students of the school thought of planting trees in and around the school to reduce air pollution. That's a good concept. They have decided to plant the trees in such a way that the number of trees that each section of each class will plant will be the same as the class in which they are studying. For example, a section of class 1 will plant 1 tree, a section of class 2 will plant 2 trees, and so on till class 12. Let us discuss in detail. Here, grade 1 has 3 sections, A, B, C. Grade 2 also has 3 sections, A, B, C. Up to grade 12. This grade also has 3 sections, A, B, C. Each section of class 1 will plant 1 tree. Again, each section of class 2 will plant 2 trees as given in the question, and so on up to each section of grade 12 will plant 12 trees. Okay, now we have to find out how many trees will be planted by the students. So let's solve this problem. Solution. Number of trees planted by three sections of class 1 is 1 into 3, which is equal to 3. Similarly, number of trees planted by 3 sections of class 2 is 2 into 3, which is equal to 6. Number of trees planted by 3 sections of class 3, that is 3 into 3, which is equal to 9. Up to number of trees planted by 3 section of class 12, that is 12 into 3, which is equal to 36. Here we get the required sequence as first number is 3, second number 6, third number 9, so on up to 36. Here the first term is 3, that is a is equal to 3. Next we have to find out common difference, which is given by second term minus first term. Second term is 6 minus first term is 3. 6 minus 3 is 3, and the last term is 36, that is an is equal to 36, and the number of classes is 12. Now we have to write the formula of sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. Now let us substitute all these values in this formula. The value of n is 12, that is S12 is equal to 12 divided by 2 into value of a is 3 plus the value of an is 36, that is S12 is equal to 12 divided by 2, we get 6 as the answer. 36 plus 3, we get 39. S12 is equal to, multiplying these two terms, that is 39 into 6. 6 9s are 54, 5 carry, 6 3 is 18 plus 3, 5, 23. That is multiplying 39 and 6, we get 234 as the answer. Now we have to write the conclusion that the total number of trees planted by the students is 234. This is the answer. 18th question. A spiral is made up of successive semicircles with centers alternately at A and B, starting with center at A of radii 0.5 cm, 1 cm, 1.5 cm, 2 cm as shown in the figure. What is the total length of such a spiral made up of 13 consecutive semicircles? Given the value of pi is 22 by 7. Before solving this problem, let us recall the basic concepts of circle. Here, this is the circle, this is the center of the circle, and this is the radius. The length of the circle is nothing but the circumference of the circle. The value of circumference of the circle is 2 pi r, and this is the semicircle. This semicircle is nothing but half of the circle. That is, circumference of this semicircle is 2 pi r divided by 2, that is pi r. This is spiral which is made up of 3 semicircles. That is, this is the first semicircle with center A of length L1 and radii 0.5 cm, and this is the second semicircle with center B of length L2 and radii 1 centimeter. And this is the third semicircle with center A of length L3 and radii 1.5 centimeter. And in this question we have to find the total length of a spiral which is made up of 13 semicircles like this. Solution. First, let us write the formula for the length of the semicircle. Length of the semicircle is given by pi into r. So now length of the first semicircle is given by pi into r1, that is pi into radius of the first semicircle is 0.5 centimeter. 0.5 can also be written as 1 by 2 into pi, that is equal to pi by 2. Next, length of the second semicircle is equal to pi into r2, that is pi into length of the radius of the second semicircle is 1 centimeter, which is equal to pi into 1 is equal to pi. Next, length of the third semicircle is given by pi into r3, that is pi into radii of the third semicircle is 1.5. 1.5 can also be written as 3 by 2 into pi. Similarly, length of the fourth semicircle is given by pi into r4, which is equal to pi into, and the radius of the fourth semicircle is 2, that is pi into 2, which is equal to 2 pi. Now the required sequence is first term is pi by 2, second term pi, third term 3 pi by 2, fourth term 2 pi, and so on. Here the first term is, what is the first term? Pi by 2. And now we have to find out the common difference, which is given by a2 minus a1. Here the second term is pi minus first term is pi by 2. Pi minus pi by 2 is nothing but pi by 2. And the value of n is, we have to find out the total length of 13 consecutive semicircles, that is n is equal to 13. Now let us write the formula of sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now let us substitute all these values in this formula. Yes, the value of n is 13, which is equal to 13 by 2 into 2 into value of a is pi by 2 plus n value is 13 minus 1 into value of d is pi by 2 into pi by 2, that is S13 is equal to 13 by 2 into your 2 get cancelled, and the remaining is pi plus here 13 minus 1 is 12 into pi by 2. 2 ones are 2 6 are, that is S13 is equal to 13 by 2 into pi plus 6 into pi is 6 pi, which is equal to 13 by 2 into pi plus 6 pi is 7 pi, that is S13 is equal to 13 by 2 into 7 into the value of pi is 22 by 7. Here 7 get cancelled, and 22 by 2 is 11, and the remaining term is S13 is equal to 13 multiplied by 11, that is S13 is equal to, multiplying 13 and 11 we get 143 as the answer. Now we have to write the conclusion, that is the total length of 13 semicircles of a spiral is 143 centimeter. This is the final answer.